To this day, the mirror principle remains one of the most profound and impactful universal laws I've encountered. This principle has transformed not only my life, but the lives of countless others. Personally, it allowed me to escape a state of being broke, directionless, and even homeless at one point. Through understanding and applying the mirror principle, I now enjoy a life of traveling the world, nurturing a loving relationship with my amazing partner, and running a successful six-figure business that aligns with my passions and purpose. The transformative power of this principle is undeniable, and in this video I'll guide you to unlock its potential for yourself. At its core, the mirror principle teaches us that the outer world is a reflection of our inner world. Your physical reality mirrors your internal state, and by understanding and consciously shifting your inner world, you can create profound changes in your external circumstances. While some people might accidentally harness this principle without realizing it, true power comes from intentional awareness and application. By knowing the rules of the game and using them strategically, you can turn the mirror principle into a tool that serves you on your journey towards success, joy, and fulfillment. Let's break down what the mirror principle truly means. In essence, it reveals that your outer world follows the inner world. But what exactly is the inner world? To understand this, you need to recognize that you are more than just a physical being. You are a three-part entity: the physical, the mental, and the spiritual. The physical aspect pertains to your tangible sensory experiences. Meanwhile, the mental world encompasses your thoughts, beliefs, and visualizations, while the spiritual world represents your energy, emotions, and connection to something greater than yourself. Imagine someone who constantly complains, feels anger or guilt, and dwells in negative emotions. You'll likely notice that their external reality mirrors this chaos. Perhaps they struggle with relationships, face financial difficulties, or experience dissatisfaction in their career. Conversely, those who cultivate joy, gratitude, and peace within themselves tend to experience smoother relationships, financial stability, and overall contentment in their outer world. The mirror principle works both ways, and this is why mastering it is key to creating a life you desire. The inner world consists of two major components: the mental and the spiritual. The mental world includes your thoughts and imagery, those non-physical constructs that shape how you perceive reality. The spiritual world, on the other hand, reflects your energy and emotions, which are essentially energy in motion. These two aspects of your inner world are interconnected. Positive thoughts often lead to uplifting emotions, and vice versa. By consciously influencing both your mental and spiritual states, you set the stage for your physical reality to mirror your desires. Science also supports the idea that our reality is far less physical than it appears. Experts suggest that our universe is 99.99999% empty space and energy. This means the physical reality we see and touch is just a tiny fraction of existence. When you grasp this concept, it becomes clear why the inner world, the realm of thoughts, emotions, and energy, is so influential. The physical world is born out of the non-physical, which is why aligning your inner world can lead to tangible changes in your life. The mirror principle emphasizes that your outer world is an energetic history of your inner states. By creating intentional shifts within your mind and emotions, you begin to change the energy you emit. Over time, this energy reflects back to you as changes in your external reality. Many individuals who consciously practice this principle report receiving unexpected blessings, from dream jobs and fulfilling relationships to financial windfalls. The key is to remain consistent and deliberate in aligning your inner world with your desired outcomes. Now that you understand the mirror principle, it's time to take action. Start by observing your thoughts and emotions. Are they aligned with the life you want to create? If not, practice shifting them toward more positive and empowering states. Visualization, affirmations, and mindfulness exercises are powerful tools to support this process. Remember, change starts within, and by mastering the mirror principle, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Think Godly for more powerful insights. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the universe and live our best lives. Nabi Gi